Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset an Android phone, and I'm going to be using a Redmi Note 10A to do this, and this is applicable to most Android phone also. So let's get started. So before you start, the first thing you're going to do is to put off the phone you want to hard reset. So I'm just going to turn off this phone. I'm going to press power off now, and make sure the phone is turned off. So guys, before we start this video, please kindly like the video and also subscribe to the channel. So let's get started. So when your phone is turned off, so what you're going to do is to press the volume up and the power button. Make sure you press the power button and the volume up down at the same time till you get the Redmi logo on the screen. So press it down. In case you press it and it doesn't work, remove your hand and press it again. So press it the same time till you get the Redmi logo. So let's do it again. So remove it once the Redmi logo comes up. Now in my own case it's Redmi logo. So in your own case it will be the logo of whatever phone you're using. So in most cases it's either power button and the volume up, or volume down and the power button. So let's get started. You're going to see this. You're going to see reboot, wipe data, connect with MI assistant, save mode. Now connect with MI assistant. This option is based on the phone you are using. So you are going to use the volume up and volume down to navigate the option. So you are just going to use the volume down to navigate to where you see wipe data. So I navigated down. Let me go up again. So as you can see wipe data, then you use your power button to enter. So enter with your power button to wipe the data. So it takes you back to make menu, wipe all data. Use the volume down to navigate to wipe all data, then use your power button to enter. So it's going to tell you confirm wipe of all data. This cannot be undone. Use your power button, use your volume down button to navigate to confirm, then use your power button to confirm. Now wait a while. It may take some seconds or some minutes while it's wiping your data in the background. So once it's done, it's going to pop up on the screen in order for you to continue to the next step. See? So the amount it takes depends on the volume of data you have in your phone. The amount of time it takes to wipe the data depends on the volume of the data you have in your phone. So give it some time depending on the amount of data you have in your phone. So let's wait while it's wiping our data in the background. So guys, while this is still happening, kindly like the video, subscribe to the channel. So we are entering into the second step right now in order for us to be able to hard reset the phone. Please kindly note that even if it takes time depending on the phone you're using, make sure you don't press any other thing. Just allow it to boot up by itself into the phone's operating system. Okay guys, so it's booting now into the phone's operating system. So let's continue. Okay, so as you can see, I'm being asked to set up the phone. So I'm going to set up the phone by selecting the language. So from here, you can now set up your phone, select your country, next. So accept the phone terms and condition. So you check in case you have to accept the terms and services. So you go back, use the arrow to go to the next page. So you connect to a network. You have to connect to this particular network in case your phone doesn't allow you to bypass without connecting to a network. I'm going to make a video to show you how to bypass this, a subsequent video, not now. So let's continue. So it's getting my phone ready now. Now, like I said, this applies to every phone, not just Redmi phone. This particular method applies to most of the Android phone, if not every Android phone, because hard reset, you have to start the hard reset process with either for volume down with the power button or volume up with the power button. So that's the method that applies to most of the Android phone. So while the phone is getting ready in just a second, which is just for you to do minor setup in the phone, that's how to hard reset Android phone. In my own case, I used Redmi 10A. That's Redmi Note 10A to do that, guys. So you can go to next because I don't have any. No. So I'm just gonna say don't copy. Okay. So guys, we're done.